What's up guys? So I'm gonna be starting a Will It Fly series with only cardboard. I've been making all my airplanes with cardboard, so this is my first one. It's almost done. I have my receiver right here and my 30 ESC, 400 kV motor, and this is the wing. They have a little dihedral in the wing. All I have to do is just put my barbecue skewers in here so I can hold my wing together on the fuselage. So I'll be using this 1300 milliamp battery. It's a 3S 1300 milliamp battery for my power, and my FlySky transmitter, and hopefully it will fly. So this is gonna be my hatch for the front. So I'm gonna this is not done yet, but I'm gonna make this, put a magnet here so I can easily snap this off. So it's gonna be like this. Try to put it on. That's my son in the background. He's my co-pilot. I know he's gonna be better than me. So try to get this on. So it's gonna be looking like that. Right, so here it is. 100% cardboard. This is a 3-channel airplane, and this is a good trainer for a beginner. There you have it. Oh, my prop. See my prop size. I believe this is a 9 by 8 by 6 prop. If you can see right there. I believe it's an 8 by 6. So that's what I'm gonna be using for my maiden. And sorry Jay, he's excited as I am. I'm nervous. I'm more nervous on the nervous side. He's more excited to fly this thing, but this is how it looks with the wing. So it's almost done, but let's see how much this weighs. Alright, so let's put this on the scale and see how much it weighs. I have my battery on the inside, so that's everything all set up. 6 to 8 grams. So like I said guys, this is a Will It Fly series, and my builds are gonna be made out of cardboard, and hopefully this flies. So come and check out the next video to see if this thing flies. This will be the maiden video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you won't miss the maiden video, and we see what happens. So will it fly? Subscribe for the next video. Thank you. God bless.